Basal metabolic rate. Is it useful for weight loss? Basal metabolic rate or BMR is defined as the amount of calories your body needs in order to function. Our hearts, lungs, livers, and all the other organs of the body need fuel in the form of calories to work and help keep us alive. The average adult female needs 1,700 to 2,000 calories a day. That is how many calories a female body burns to stay alive. On the other hand, the average adult male needs to burn 2,200 to 2,400 calories every single day. But there are other factors involved besides biological sex. BMR is also determined by age as well as the size of one's body. The key takeaway here is that BMR is the minimum amount of calories that your body runs on. Let's have an example. If you're female and you're consuming about 2,000 calories, it would take 3,500 calories more or less to gain or lose a pound of fat, respectively. And here's how it works. Let's say you burn 10 calories a minute on average during physical activity. If you exercise for 30 minutes, that means you would burn 300 calories. And being physically active for 2.5 hours brings that to a total of 1,500 calories. Considering your basal metabolic rate of 2,000 calories, not increasing the amount of calories you eat will leave you with a deficit of 500 calories. If you do this over the course of 7 days, you'd be burning 7 times that 500 calories. That's 3,500 calories. That is equivalent to a pound of fat on average. To monitor this, you have to weigh yourself every week. If you're burning 3,500 calories, you lose a pound of fat. If you eat an excess of 3,500 calories, you will gain a pound of fat. Now, we want to introduce you to a product that can make your weight loss journey a lot easier. An aptly named supplement called CarboFix. It's a product that can turn your metabolism on right away. It will also allow your body to burn more calories and fat while you're at rest. The all-natural ingredients in CarboFix will help with reducing belly fat, uncontrolled weight gain, and intense food cravings. Know more about this amazing product by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to get updated on our upcoming uploads. Thank you for watching!